I am so excited to go back to Portland, Oregon. This city holds so much promise, breakthrough, and beauty for me.
Tonight's program includes a screening of Mambar Pierrette with an opening performance by artist Aviva Ado and a closing conversation with Aviva McClure, Associate Co-Director of CFAF, and Makosi Anita Tao, the Director of For Them That Pray, which screens on the 17th.
It feels like a dream for me to find a home for this film where all my intersectionalities are celebrated. Mambar Pierrette by Rosine Mbakam from Cameroon is a poignant film. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it.